who has knowledge, skills, and experience in preparing scope and plan is the person here, expert judgment. He will meet, he will find alternatives, because many times alternatives become important in the scope and in scope. There will be two kind of things. One is product requirement, another is the project requirement. In the same way, there will be a product scope, there will be a project scope. Anybody understand what is the difference between product and project?
Product is actually deliverable of that particular project, where project is methodology to, to reach to that particular product.
Fantastic. So project is the work done in the project. That is called project. And by doing this work, the product you're going to deliver at the end, that will be called product. So we can say product requirement, that we can also say requirements of the product of the project. So what will be there in the requirement? Specification of product. For example, we took example of mobile phone, right? So in the mobile phone, what will be the product requirement? What will be the size of the mobile phone, right? What kind of screen will be there? How much is the capacity of the battery? What will be the resolution of the screen? How much RAM and how much memory will be there? Correct? What kind of microprocessor will be there? What kind of display processor will be there? Well, many things are there. So all these features will be product requirement. And what will be the project requirement? And then anybody can guess what will be the project requirements?
What type of a project methodology we are approaching?
Okay, and what all work we are going to do?
Right.
We will gather requirements, we will develop the design, we will develop the product also, right? We will test it also. Not necessarily you do all those things. Some third party can do testing. Then those is not the project requirement for you, testing. It will go out of your scope, right? So product scope will become the function and features of the product which will be delivered, which are in the project, which is out of the project. And the work we will do in the project will be called project scope, and the work we will not do will be out of the scope work. For example, so in that case, what will happen? You can have full project scope, full product scope. Like a product is given to you, design it end to end, everything to be done by you. Partial scope, full project scope. I'm giving you the mobile phone only battery. You need to do end to end for the battery. So partial product scope, only battery, and full project scope from requirement to delivery. Full product scope, but partial project scope. What is full product scope? Full mobile, but your job is only to design it. Mm-hmm. So partial project scope, right? Only design. And full product scope, full mobile to be designed.
Can we say that project requirements are the activities which needs to be done to achieve product requirements?
Right, exactly.
So the product is, can we say that the product is within the project?
Product is well within part of the project, right? So many times when you say project requirement, we really mean actually it inclusive of product requirement. But when technically we say, then the project requirement, when somebody said differentiation between project requirement and product requirement, then project requirement, product requirement will be different. But otherwise, in general, when we say project requirement, it probably be inclusive of product requirements.
Okay.
So product scope and project scope. And you, as I said, you can have full product scope, full project scope, you can have partial product scope, full project scope, you can have full product scope, partial project scope, you can have partial product scope, partial project scope. Only battery to be designed, battery and only to be designed, nothing else. Right? Only battery is given partial product scope, and you just have to design partial project scope.